So we're just going to install this sink plug because we had a leak on it. So that bolt goes through there, and there's a washer at there that just fits at the bottom of there, so the bolt doesn't fall out the bottom. There's a silicone washer goes in here, but I've actually put a bit of plumber's mate on it just to double belts and braces, because we have had a leak and we're trying not to get another one. This thing's got the built-in overflow. It's part of the integral part of the sink here. It doesn't have a pipe. You can see there's like 2 layers to this sink. So we've got the foam seal on the bottom of there. The bolt goes through there, and there's a washer, so make sure that you don't lose that. Just push it in the sink. And then underneath, we'll try and show you how it goes. It just goes on the bottom of there, make sure it's clean and dry. Put the bolt somehow in the middle. This is a tricky bit, getting the screw to screw. I think it's going. So we tighten the two up together and they both clamp each other together. I think what we want to do first, as I did that last time, didn't I, is make sure it is going, threading. Put the bottom track on first because this pipe's already here and it's a welded glue type pipe. So I'll try and put it on there first. And try and put it on the pipe. Oh, that's it. Is it going? That's it. I think we've got it. So it's all together. Now, I've just got to screw the screw. Make sure it's lined up underneath. So you shouldn't have to put plumber's mate on, but I've done it just to be on the safe side. We'll tighten these up. It's got a washer in there, black washer. Hopefully that should be it. No more leaks. Right. Just got this little bit to put in. Screws in the top there. Just tighten it a little bit with a spanner and put this top back on. And then that should be it. One working sink again. Hopefully no leaks. Who's going to be the first to try it? That's Jed's Sheds. No leaks, and the water seems to be holding. Oh, we don't know if it leaks yet. We have to release the water. There's one we missed, but it's still not leaking. How about that? That's Dead Sheds. Subscribe and like, please.